Hello YouTubers! Today we have here another airsoft stuff, this time from Iber Airsoft. I can recommend this shop, everything was perfect. I was really surprised and shocked about delivery time, because delivery time was 3 working days from China to Slovakia. It's amazing, it's amazing. If I buy something in Slovakia, this time is normal in Slovakia, three days of shipping, but this is from China and they send it to me by DHL courier and it was just 3 days. And another shock for me was that this courier called me to work and he asked me if I'm at home or somebody is at home, and I told him that nobody is here, so he asked me again where I am working, and after I say him where I work, he told me, okay, I will bring you to do your work, and I was really shocked and surprised. It never happened to me. Oh my god, it's something perfect. I really recommend this shop and really recommend this Courier Express services. So let's take a look what is inside of this package. This is not so important. The most important was so fast delivery time, the fastest in my life. And inside of this package is another one in paper. Sorry for sniffle and for my sick voice, but I have some flu. I have to drink a lot of tea and eat of vitamin C. I hope that I will feel better soon. And inside of this package is this headphone for my radio. It's ZTE Cobra tactical headset, and you can mount it on your helmet, straight on your helmet, like you can see here, and you don't have to have it on your head like here, because my experiences from previous headset, when I had it all of day on my head, I have so much headache after the using. So now I hope this will be much better. So I recommend this shop, Iber Airsoft. Shipping was free, delivery time was the fastest in my life, everything perfect. Thank you for watching. Like, comment this video, subscribe my channel if you want, and see you next time. Bye bye.